Today we will learn how to add text behind the objects in the video. For example, in this viral mask effect videos, the text is placed behind the subject. So, here I have this footage in the Fusion page. Let's add any text on this video clip. If we add any mask to the blue input of this merge node, for example this polygon mask, and draw a polygon around the subject. Then invert this polygon mask. You can see it seem like the text is behind this girl. But the problem is that we have to track this polygon with the movement of the subject, which is very time consuming. So instead of this polygon, we can simply separate the subject by removing its background. If you have Studio version of Davinci, you can use the magic mask to remove the background. Don't worry if you have free version, I will show you another way to remove the background. Suppose you have removed the background using magic mask or any other method. This footage can be used as a mask. And in this merge node, go to the settings tab and invert the mask from here. And it's done. Now let's talk about how you can remove the background in free version of Davinci Resolve. We can use this chroma keyer node. Just connect your video clip to this chroma keyer node. See this node in left window. Make sure you have selected this chroma option. Now just select the area which you want to remove. You can select multiple times. But keep in mind it will remove all of the pixels which have this same color. So, after removing the background, just use this as a mask as we did earlier. And you can invert the mask in case you haven't inverted it. We can also fix these edges by adjusting this soft range. Or we can go to the matte tab and increase the blur. And play with these options to get better edges. So, in this way you can add the text behind any object in the video. Keep in mind that chroma keyer may not work with all type of footage. You can also try another keyer like delta keyer, alpha keyer, etc. At last, another way to remove the background is to use any online website. I tried this website and it removed the background but didn't allow to download the full quality footage for free. And it also reduced the size of video, which we can fix by using a resize node. But overall quality was not good. So, I think the chroma key is best free option until I find any other way to remove the background. You can comment if you know about any free tool to remove background of a video. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.